Sakib Hasan is a Bangladeshi cricketer who is widely regarded as one of the best all-rounders in the world. He was born on March 24, 1987, in Magura, a district in the southwestern part of Bangladesh. From an early age, Sakib showed a keen interest in cricket and was soon recognized as a talented player. Sakib made his international debut for Bangladesh in 2006, in a one-day international match against Zimbabwe. He quickly established himself as a key player in the team, thanks to his ability to contribute with both bat and ball. His left-arm spin bowling and aggressive batting style soon made him a fan favorite. Over the years, Sakib has become one of the most successful cricketers in Bangladesh's history. He has played in all three formats of the game and has achieved numerous milestones in his career. In 2009, he became the first Bangladeshi cricketer to score 1,000 runs and take 30 wickets in a calendar year in one-day internationals. He was also named the West End Cricketer of the Year in 2011, becoming the first Bangladeshi to receive the prestigious award. Sakib's performances have also helped Bangladesh achieve some significant victories in international cricket. He played a crucial role in Bangladesh's first-ever Test win against West Indies in 2009, scoring a century in the second innings and taking 5 wickets in the match. He also played a vital role in Bangladesh's historic victory against Australia in a Test match in 2017. In addition to his success on the field, Sakib has also been recognized for his leadership and sportsmanship. He has served as the captain of the Bangladesh cricket team in all three formats of the game, and has been credited with bringing a new level of professionalism and discipline to the team. He has also been involved in various charitable activities, including supporting a school for underprivileged children in his hometown. Sakib's success in cricket has earned him numerous accolades and awards. In 2015, he was named as one of the West End Cricketers of the Year, and in 2019, he was named as one of the 5 West End Cricketers of the Decade. He has also been honored with the Bangladeshi National Sports Award several times. In summary, Sakib Hasan is one of the most successful cricketers in Bangladesh's history, known for his all-round abilities and leadership on and off the field. His dedication to the sport and his country has made him a role model for many young cricketers in Bangladesh and around the world.